We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna.
Guys, alam niyo ba na ang bawat tao ay laging nag-iisip? Kayo guys, nag-iisip rin po? Kasi lagi ko naobserbahan at naiisip kung bakit sila ay nag-iisip. Ang bawat tao ay laging may inisip. Umaga't gabi man, lagi silang nag-iisip. Ano kaya ang mga iniisip nila? Parang napapaisip din ako. Ano kaya yun? Kayo guys, ano kaya ang inyong iniisip kapag kayo nag-iisip? Ang isip nyo ba'y iniisip ang inyong iniisip? Parang ako'y nalilito pagkat ako'y napapaisip. Kung ang aking isip ay aking iniisip, paano na kaya ang nangyayari sa aking isip? Ano kaya yun guys, no? Yan ang napakalaking tanong na aking iniisip sa bawat taong aking nakikita na napapaisip. Kayo guys, naunawaan nyo ba ang aking sinasabi? O iniisip nyo rin kung ano ang aking sinasabi dapat kong isa-isip? Kung ang matinong tao ay nag-iisip, or kung ang isang matalinong tao ay laging nag-iisip or palaisip, ano kayang itsura ang kanyang isip? Sapagkat di ko mawari o maisip sa aking isipan kung anong itsura ng kanyang isip, pagkat siya rin ay nag-iisip. Kung kayo ay may isip, lagi niyong isa-isip na ang pag-iisip ay hindi lang nakakapag-isip sa mga nag-iisip. Ano ba yun? Naintindihan niyo po ba? Parang hindi, no? Kaya sa tingin ko, ano kaya ang maganda? Mag-isip o matulog? Minsan kahit ikaw ay natutulog, napapaisip ka rin. Diba? Nakuha niyo ang gusto kong sabihin? Di ba? Ano ba to? Tingnan mo, sa ngayon nag-iisip ako. Kayo, nag-iisip rin ba? Parang hindi eh. Kung kayo nag-iisip, normal kayo. Pag hindi kayo nag-iisip, di ko alam kung ano yung sasabihin ko doon. Kasi ang bawat tao ay may iniisip. Ang bawat tao ay may kanya-kanyang isip. Kaya tayo binigyan ng isip para makapag-isip. Nag-guess nyo? Napakalaking tanong sa inyong isipan. Napakalaking sagot na dapat isipin. na ang tao ay dapat mag-isip sa mga tanong na dapat niya ay sagutin. Kaya ang taong ganyan ay palaisip. Ang tawag dyan ay taong nag-iisip. Joke lang guys. Before that guys, I would like to thank to all my viewers, subscribers, and followers to my YouTube channel with my wife, Emma's TV. I love you guys, your support, good opportunity to thankful to the Seaman's Club from Providence, USA. I hope this message send or you watch in the YouTube channel by sharing until you read it to this guy her effort to wrap and give gift for us as a secret that we did not expect. Either we have no connection with him, he prepared a gift for us. So I'm very thankful that your gift did I choose this box. You see guys, thank you very much. And before that guys, I would like to share what is the inside of this box. So guys, please stay tuned to my channel and watch this video. So guys, let's open this box. Okay. Wow. So guys, I got my gloves. So they have one pair of gloves. Then sock. Medyas po. Then peppermint gum, guys. So here, and also for sock for cold. Sock. See, Shugaro. Then also comb. There you go. Bonnet. Also bonnet. Bonnet for the cold weather. So bonnet. Then see, I hope someday will we meet before you have a pine tree. I hope someday we meet this guy. Then also sock also. Wow, this is also blade, shaving blade. Oral-B, see guys, Oral-B, and candy guys, candy guys, candy. Then ball pen. Then before that guys, also have a lastly the letter or who's the one who choose very great gift did I receive to someone that I don't know. That's why I make a video to thank you. Either we don't know each other, you give me this, and I will choose your box because your box is amazing. You see, I like this drawing, and he maybe give effort for this box. That's why I chose that box, and I like that box because I think he give her heart, or he put her heart in this box. So before that, guys, I would read her message or his message. Dear Super, thank you for all that you do. Wishing you all the best and health and safety this holiday season. So guys, it's very good message that did I receive this year 2021. Either I don't know you because you did not put your name, but can I search you on Facebook that someday we meet again and I say thank you gift for us. Thank you very much. So guys, ito po ang kanyang gift sa amin. Ito po ang gift sa amin. Ito po yung nakuha ko. Okay guys, see, guys, papakita ko po sa inyo. Candy. Ito po siya. May just po siya. Supply. And may just, may bonnet. And may just ulit. Food brush. Shaving blade. The most important for me is this letter. See guys, that's letter. Did you read? And ball pen, and also lastly candy. So guys, I hope this video you like it and share until this message is sent and read who's the owner of this gift did I choose. Thank you very much and God bless you.